Dotzlite makes dotting easier than ever. With its impeccable backlighting system, squinting becomes a thing of the past, and setup is simple as 1, 2, 3. Let's take a look. Open your Dotzlite box and remove the protective plastic from the Dotzlite. Remove the included USB cable. Untie the USB cable and plug the small end into the light pad, like so. You will hear a slight click when it connects. The big end of the USB cable can be plugged into any USB power source, such as computers, cars, and power banks. For this video, we will use an ordinary phone adapter and a wall outlet. Once the Dotzlite has been plugged in, a small light beside the power button will turn blue. It is now ready for use. Place the light pad on a table or flat surface and unroll your DIAMOND DOTZ kit on top of it. The Dotzlite has 3 settings: bright, brighter, and brightest. Notice how the hard-to-see spaces have become brighter and more visible. Select your preferred light mode, then start dotting.